Welcome to the Top Corey YouTube channel.
Alrighty, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the TC Garage. I just had a little trouble. Your boy's been down here welding, right? I don't want to show you because I don't want you to make fun of me, but just learning, still learning. Give me some slack. All right. But anyways, it is winter wonderland here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It is, I think, -1 outside right now. It is freezing. We have the shop maybe like 55, so it's not too bad. A little chilly. Don't want to bust a finger because it'll hurt. But anyways, look at the truck. It is crushed, and we just sprayed the trucks off maybe a day ago. So, yep, salt season in full effect. But anyways, guys, I have been putting off something for quite some time with the old Platinum here, and that is, here, let's climb up on the ladder so you can take a peek. Looking under the hood here, you might see something that looks a little ugly and just wrong. Okay, I'm just gonna point it out straight away. This coolant riser here. So you see this big riser, there's this big black tube down there, metal black hard line that comes off, goes up, big huge riser. There's a big T under here that I just jammed under the intake. It runs over here, there's another line, you can see the T comes under, goes up, vent line comes off of here. Big huge riser. Okay, so you do all this work, you put on this nice intercooler piping, you got the under the hood looking fresh, but it's dirty right now, so ignore that. And then you have this monster freaking coolant line just sticking out, staring you straight in the face. Alright, so I didn't manage to get too much coolant on the ground or all over myself. I'm not going to drain the whole system. I'm probably just going to drain enough to get it lower than the stuff that we have to change. Maybe like 2 gallons came out of there, so I'm just going to try that and see if that works. To achieve such a high accomplishment of cleaning out your engine bay on your 6.7 Powerstroke, you can do that with none other than the SPE coolant hose reroute. So my good buddies down there sent me this bad kit right here, and it's a full kit to remove all that junk. Okay, so it comes with new factory connections that go onto the firewall. There's a new machine connection that goes onto the coolant port down in the valley of the engine, and then you just run that new line over and you're done. It literally took me longer to open that plastic petcock valve thing on the radiator to drain the coolant, because those things at first, like, they never want to move, but then once you get them going, they're fine. But I don't know, let's put this thing on. Coolant ain't low enough. We need more coolant out. I made a big mess. All right, boys, we drained about another gallon out, maybe. I filled the valley of the engine with coolant, but we'll get the shop back and we'll suck that out, so don't worry. I'm here at the shop alone. JB is at home taking care of his family. So this is a solo operation. You're on the tripod. Okay, so. Okay. Inlet tube, out. There's a puddle down there. Okay, so to replace the heater tube, you have to put the adapter on to use the hose, and that's this machined unit right here. So you got to put on this O-ring, make sure it's lubed up. This will slide into the crossover coolant right where you pulled out the old heater tube. There you go, she's in. Bolt supplied. Let's pop that puppy in. That is a 5mm. This goes to 89 inch-pounds, which isn't that much. Let's go ahead and pull the rest of this line out. All right, so back in the back, you can see the Ford connection right there that goes onto the heater core on the firewall. You got to pull that quick connection off, and then that is connected to the top line up there, which is then return connected to these lines that run over here, which go into there, that run over to there. So you get that off, and you can get the rest of this off. Wonder how much coolant's gonna run out of there. Not too much. Oh, I love coolant. Oh, I love coolant. It's like a puzzle. I mean, I guess we gotta pull the intake off, but how would we do that? All right, so this big apparatus is the thing that we are getting rid of. You got your main huge line that went to that riser, over to the heater core, over to the degas bottle. I don't know, a bunch of lines. Gone. Oh, real quick, you have to pull that white safety pin connector off of the nipple thing coming off the heater core, the old factory white connection, quick pin. Here, I'll show you. See the white thing on the tube right there? You gotta pull that off. This piece, once you get this off, you're done. But don't forget to take this off because you'll get everything lined up, you'll get ready to put everything back on, and then you'll be like, shoot, I forgot this piece. So take this piece off because it needs to come off. All right, and now you're done removing stuff. Now it's time to put stuff back on. Hear that? Oh yeah. That would be her. Okay, so whenever you're gonna put your hose on, it's gonna need trimmed a little. So you're gonna have to trim it to size, which, you know, always do a rough fit with your hose, just because, you know, like, that's what you should do. So I'm gonna take the new supplied connector. See, it has a Ford factory style connector. This will snap onto the heater core, and then I'm going to get my distance I need to trim my hose. Not going to quite push this on just yet. It's going to give me a rough idea. Okay. Trim it. Now, whenever this is supplied to you, you got two different size hose clamps. Now there's a number 10 and a number 12. The number 12 obviously being slightly bigger. Number 12 will go on the heater core side. All right. All right, boys, main coolant line is in. Now we got to do the small one for the degas bottle, and we are 100% done. Okay, boys, so now I just put on this degas hose. So it clamps right to the top side here, runs right along the top over to the top bottle. Simple hose, 2 clamps, nothing, you know, out of the ordinary to do. Very, very easy. Everything lines up good. And now I am filling it up with some coolant because a lot went into that bucket and a little bit went into onto the floor. And that's it. We're done. We're done for the night. It's freezing in here. Fire's out and it is cold. So anyways, there you go. There is the coolant reroute to clean up your engine bay on the 6.7 Powerstroke. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I think that is just an awesome upgrade, especially if you have intercooler piping. That is a must. I can't believe that I ran with the factory riser thing on there that long with all those lines and the T lines jammed underneath the intake. Not a good look, but now it is a good look. So you have your beautiful after shot. A single nice clean line coming out, going around over to the heater core, and you have your single nice clean line coming off of your top rad over here, going over, and everything just looks very, very proper. So all right, thank you for sticking with me today. Thank you for tuning in to the TC YouTube channel. If you guys thought this was cool, or if you think that's cool, or if you just are feeling froggy, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join the family. A little bit of a solo video today, like the old times, like start channel, like solo style. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just starting to ramble now. If you guys want one of these for your truck, you could hit the first link in the description. Head over to the site, pick one up. They are very, very cool. Very easy install. Hardest part of the install was draining the coolant on that petcock thing, that plastic turn valve. They suck, but take your time, you'll get it. Other than that, everything was very easy. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way soon. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.